been open about 13 months now. We have 97 vintage motorcycles from all over the world. They're from the 1950s, 60s, and 70s, primarily. I believe in having all kinds of makes and models. Maybe I've got some that you've never heard of. The building was originally a Ford car dealership built in 1930. And the room where you're standing right now is the showroom where they sold Model A's. This photograph goes back about 90 years. This is the original showroom. They sold Model A's. Tile ceiling is all original. And this is the dealership's garage area, which is back through those doors. We still have the original hydraulic lift embedded in the ground back there.
Wow.
We have another 48 motorcycles back there, plus a grizzly bear who guards our restrooms. We have a cool little retail store called Biker Chick that has general merchandise with a motorcycle theme. All the bikes have hang tags with brief descriptions. Let me know if you have any questions, and feel free to take all the photography you like.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Velocity Thruxton. NSU 250. 1948 Koshman Military Airborne 53. 1952 Harley H model. Yamaha, beautiful. This Indian 1931. That's a Harley Davidson DLD. This is the Indian right here. 1941 Indian 741. 1973 Bultaco Alpina 250. Another Bultaco. Montesa Impala 1963. NSU Super FOH. And this is a 1959 Cesida 501. Armaki Harley Davidson, the Italian Harleys. Wow.
That's not nice either.
Alla Verde. And this is Rigman Royal Field Interceptor. Medice. Rigman Medice. Yeah. Ray Petty Norton.
This is the dealership garage service area.
Triumphs.
Back through those doors, we have another 48 motorcycles back there. There's still the hydraulic lift embedded in the ground. We also have a grizzly bear back there who guards our restrooms.
Yeah.
So if you have to,
Aerial.
Okay.
Square 4.
We got a cool little retail store called Microchip that has
Famous James, 1946.
all the bikes have information tags. If you have any other questions, let me know.
BSA.
Right, see what a white helmet is?
Kawasaki. Hondas.
That's pretty great.
And look at that.
Did you find everything?
1965 Honda CA77 Dream. Wow, beautiful.